Welcome back to ancient India. Now we are in post-Vedic period from 1st century AD to 12th century AD. And in India there were two famous universities, that is Nalanda and Takshashila. Nalanda, the word means there is no end of gift of knowledge, and it is literally a truth. In every field of science there were lot of knowledge from Nalanda, and in its golden period there were 10,000 students from all over the globe, and 2,000 efficient teachers were there. Among the students, the famous scholars Huan from China and Al-Biruni from Persia were two of them. And when Huan were in India, and when he was a student at Nalanda, he accepted the name Sheila Aditya, and he took many books from here, almost 100 texts from here, because there were 3 multi-storied buildings as the libraries, and thousands of textbooks containing knowledge. And he took almost 100 books from here and translated into Chinese. Just like Al-Biruni took a lot of textbook from here and translated into Arabic and Persian languages. He is a deep scholar in Sanskrit also. And what is important in ancient knowledge of India? If you are going to the field of chemistry, it is known as Rasatantra. The word meaning, we can split the word into two, that is Rasa and Tantra. Rasa means mercury and Tantra, tactics. That means the tactics of mining, refining and the further practice of mercury is termed as Rasatantra, and it is considered as chemistry. And there are a lot of instruments for distillation and crystallization and drying. Different instruments were there. The use of mercury is in the field of conversion of metals into other metals, and in the field of health. And in health it is used as a medicine for good health and longevity, and a combination of mercury. Mercury is embodied, or it is symbolizing the element of man, and sulfur. Sulfur, it is called Gandhaka, and sulfur is an element of nature, and a mixture of man and nature, that means mercury and sulfur, it is considered as for good health and for the longevity of our life. Today there were many medicinal practices for mercury in electronics and in the field of thermochemical applications, and in medicines also. You need to find the similarities, or to compare the ancient practices of chemistry and modern practices of chemistry. And if you are obtaining some knowledge from, or that means some extra information from ancient chemistry, and for that we need to go back towards the textbooks of ancient knowledge, and almost all texts are written in the language Sanskrit. And the libraries were Rasarnava and Rasa Sindhu, that is the name of that libraries, and the texts were Rasa Ratna Samuchaya, Rasa Arnava. All the terms are coming with Rasa, that means mercury, and it is written by the ancient saints. Saints are scientists and are known as Vagpada, Nagarjuna, etc. You need to explore that, and you need to study the translation. But the translation, how much it is, it will give genuinity, or that means sincerity towards the ancient text, we don't know. But if you study Sanskrit, it is better. And if you are not studying Sanskrit, you go translations of these textbooks and what are the contents of that one, we need to explore.